Hello, my name is Ndileka from Chamberlain's Kyalami. I'm a door expert since 2015. Today I'm going to teach you on how to install a door handle. The tools you will need when you install a door handle, you're going to need a locking mechanism, a drill, and a drill bit, a pencil, a tape measure, a wooden chisel, screws, and a screwdriver. The first thing you need is to take your mortise lock and then you measure the top and the bottom and the depth. And then you mark the holes where you're going to drill. Once you've done the marking, you need to drill a few holes to hollow out the lock block. Then you're gonna need a wood chisel to clean up the lock block so that you will insert the lock body. And then when you're done cleaning, you need to drill the holes where you marked on both sides. The next step now is to insert lock body. You mark the front plate to chisel out a recess. Once you've done your recess, you insert your lock body and then you insert your handle spring and then you put on your door handle. You secure it with your screws. And now your door handle is fitted. Thank you for watching. For more expert advice on how to install a door handle, please visit any of our 9 Chamberlain branches. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.